Good morning students, this is drawing and today children you will do one more page in your drawing copy. Children, this is your drawing copy and I have told you to cover your drawing copy and don't tear a single page from your drawing copy, okay? Cover your drawing copy. When you will open the drawing copy children, you will get the certificate page. Don't do anything on the certificate page. Then you have to turn the page. I hope children all of you have done the first page of your drawing copy. That is to write your name in class and to decorate it. And children, whatever you will make, I have told you, whatever you will make in your drawing copy, you have to make it on the right side of the copy. The left side of the drawing copy, don't do anything. The left side of the drawing copy, children, don't do anything. The right side, children, I hope all of you have done the first page of the drawing copy. Now children, today we'll do one more page in your drawing copy. Today we'll do one more page in the drawing copy. Now children, what you have to do when you will open the page, again you have to draw on the right side. Don't do anything on the left side. You draw the border line. Border line children, use big scale and use sharp pencil while making, and for making any line children use big scale. Okay, draw border line. In the middle you write the name of the drawing that you are going to make today, that is candle, and you put the date. See how I have made the border line. Thin line you have to make only with the help of the scale. Children, I have told you last time, no using watercolor, sketch pen, crayons or pastel color. Only what you will use in class 3rd, that is pencil color. That is only pencil color. You draw very lightly with the help of pencil children. After that, with the pencil color children, you have to do the outlining. And because you are in class 3rd children, a little bit shading also you have to do with pencil color. Children, don't take help of your parents. If you are not able to draw, then first you practice in the rough copy. Okay, first you practice in the rough copy, then you draw in the drawing copy. And remember to draw on the right side of the copy. So children, let us start. Let's see how we have to draw. So now children, let us start. This is the second page of your drawing copy. Children, all of you draw the border line with the help of big scale. Then you put the date and here you write candle. Okay, all four sides children you have to draw the border. Now children, we will make two candles. Okay, now this is your scale. The first candle will be of 10 centimeter children, so you count from 0 till 10 centimeter, and your second candle will be of 6 centimeters. Okay, so let us start. Children, all of you take scale. Okay, from 10 centimeter, 0 till 10. One candle will be of 10 centimeters, so you draw a line from 0 till 10 very lightly. Okay, like this children, both the sides you draw the line. Okay, and here only you make the second candle. Your second candle will be 6 centimeter, so from 0 till 6, and this side also you draw the line. Okay, from 0 till 6. So you have to make two candles. Now what you have to do children, the down part children, the candle children, you have to make cylinder shape. Okay, like this children. Okay, now what you have, the top part you have to make it like this. Children, first you can practice in the rough copy. Okay, now the extra part children, this side the extra part you just erase it. Children, you use sharp pencil and draw it very lightly. Okay, use sharp pencil and you draw it very lightly. Now this is what you have to make. Now this is the thread you have to make here and the flames. Okay, this is what you have to make. Now children, you will make little design also. So like this we can do. In both the candles you make design like this. Children, draw very lightly. Okay, use your hand very lightly while making. So your candle is ready. Now what we will do children, we will color the candles. Okay, see children, it is clear to you. Let's see. Okay children, candle, two candles you have to draw with the flames. Now what we will do, we will color two different colors we will use to color the candles, because there is two candles. So first one I'll use red and yellow, and for the second one I'll use dark blue and magenta color. Okay, two colors children. In both the candles I'll use two different colors to color. Now let us see how to color. First one children, simply what you have to do, the border line. I have already told you do not start coloring without doing the border. Okay, so you do the border line, children, you do. Okay, with the help of a scale you can make the border here. I have told you the first candle will be 6 centimeter and the second candle will be 10 centimeter, children. Okay, like this. Only do the border. Outlining. Okay, now this part of the candle, children, you will color with red color. Now you have to use your hand only in one direction. Now I have told you that because you are in class 3rd, you have to do little shading also. So just see carefully, children. This part also you color, because the candle is melting, no, that's why I have made this side also like this. Now how you have to do shading, children? The first part of the candle, top one, like this, children, you have to do the shading of the. So children, because it is maybe it is a little difficult for you, so you just do it in the rough copy, then only you can learn. Okay, like this. Okay children, now what you have to do, we have to just color the remaining white part with yellow. Just see, and nothing you have to do, children, you just practice in the rough copy, then you can do it easily. Now children, when we mix red and yellow color, we get a new color, that is orange. When we mix red and yellow, we get new color, that is orange. If you color, children, then you will see little orange shade also. Children, the first candle is ready. Same way we will do the second candle also. And for the second candle, we'll use dark blue color and magenta color. Dark blue and magenta. Okay, again children, what you have to do, simple, you have to do the outlining. Just see children, I have done the outlining. Okay, I have completed the outlining of this candle with dark blue color. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to color this part of the candle and again this part of the candle, and then again the down part of the candle you have to color with the dark blue. Okay children, now again we will do the shading. How? Just see. Children, use sharp color pencil. Okay, use sharp color pencil to color. Now children, see, I have completed the shading part of this candle also with dark blue color. Okay children, I have completed the shading part also. Now you have to just use magenta color. If you don't have this color, children, then you can use pink color at the place of this. Okay, now simply you have to color the remaining part of the candle like this. Use your hand only in one direction. Okay children, just color the remaining part with magenta or pink color. Now children, when we mix red and yellow we get orange color. When we mix blue and pink we get purple color. Now see children, I have finished coloring the candle. Okay, first candle with blue and pink color, pink or magenta color, and the second one is with red and yellow. Now children, we do the flames. For the flames children, the thread that is coming out, that you do with black color. The flame that is coming out children, that you do with black color. The thread that is coming out you do with black color. And then children, we have to do the flames. So again, for the flame we will use little red. Okay, one side little red, then downside little blue also will use, then orange, and then we will fill the flames with yellow color. Okay children, same way we will do the flames here also. One side you do with red color, okay, then down little blue you use, again then little orange, and then you fill the flame with yellow color. Okay, with this you use little orange also. Just a lining children. For rays you have to do only lining with yellow and orange color. Okay children, this is your candle, this is your candle. Now children, here you have to make base also. So for making base children, I'll use black or brown color. So how you have to make the base, just you do with the brown little shading like this. Okay, and you can add little black also, because I think candle is not flying. No, you will not make flying candle, no children, so you have to make the base also like this. Yeah children, so this is what you have to make. Okay, this is what you have to make. You have to make two candles. The first one will be of 10 centimeter, second one will be of 6 centimeter. For the first candle I have used blue, that is dark blue, and magenta color. Children, if you don't have magenta color, you can use pink color. For the second candle children, I have used red and yellow. For the flames I have used orange, red, blue and yellow. Okay, now children, I'll give just a final touch to the candle. So for that children, to give final touch children, we use yellow or black. Just see, just a little you have to use like this. Okay, just to give the final touch. Okay, you can use it like this, very little you can use children. Okay, like this children, what you have to make, just make it neatly and cleanly. And children, don't make on the left side of the copy, always draw on the right side of the copy. Thank you very much.